Hardees Carl's Jr. Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Goals, Mission, and Vision of Hardees Carl's Jr. Hardees Carl's Jr. is one of the most recognized fast food brands in the United States, offering an exceptional range of burgers, fries, and other classic fast food items. Established in 1960, Hardees, and 1941, Carl's Jr., and operating under CKE restaurants, these brands emphasize high quality, innovative menu options, and aggressive marketing strategies that build customer loyalty and fuel franchise growth. Today, they continue to adapt to modern trends while preserving their iconic legacy. Anecdote. One of the pioneering franchisees started modestly, inspiring many local entrepreneurs with his early success. 1. How does a Hardees Carl's Jr. franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Hardees Carl's Jr. operates as a franchise system, with independent operators following strict brand standards and established procedures. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of approximately $25,000–$35,000, plus ongoing royalty fees, about 5%–8% of annual revenue, and fixed marketing fees, around 5%. Support from Hardees Carl's Jr. The brand provides comprehensive training, operational guidance, and targeted marketing support to ensure consistent quality.
Anecdote. An early franchisee's humble start evolved into a success story that motivated many aspiring investors.
2. Entry costs for Hardees Carl's Jr. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total initial investment ranges from $133,000 to $344,360,000. Covering franchise fees, construction, equipment, inventory, training, and renovations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue ranges from approximately $192,000 to over $151,000, depending on location and operational efficiency.
Anecdote. One franchisee exceeded his revenue expectations within months, underscoring the strong earning potential of the system.
3. Step-by-step. How to register a Hardees Carl's Jr. franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Registration begins by contacting the franchise development team to assess the candidate's potential. Documentation. A complete business plan, detailed financial records, and location information are required. Duration. The process typically lasts from 3 to 6 months.
Anecdote. One candidate impressively completed the registration process in just 3 months, earning local acclaim.
4. Taxes and fees in Hardees Carl's Jr. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Ranges from 10% to 37% of annual revenue. Property taxes. Account for 1%–5% of annual revenue, covering lease or ownership expenses only. State and local taxes. Combined additional taxes, sales tax, use tax, etc. Total about 1%–3% of revenue. Licensing fees. Approximately 0.5% to 1% of annual revenue. Marketing fees. Fixed at around 5% of annual revenue.
Anecdote. One owner's detailed tax management even led him to teach local students about business percentages.
5. Hiring employees in Hardees Carl's Jr. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. Typically, 10-15 employees per location are required. Training costs. Training expenses range between $300 and $700 per employee, covering both classroom instruction and hands-on practice. Training systems. A hybrid training approach, in-person and online, ensures rapid and effective onboarding.
Anecdote. A memorable training contest became an annual event, boosting team morale and service excellence.
6. Hardees Carl's Jr. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information. Ingredients and resources. Monthly costs range from $15,000 to $25,000. Salaries and benefits. Payroll expenses range from $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Rent and utilities. Rent is between $5,000 and $15,000 per month, with utilities adding $1,000 $3,000. Maintenance and repairs. Regular maintenance costs are $500 $1,000 per month. Licensing and marketing fees. Monthly fees range from $3,500 to $8,000. Total of all taxes. Combined monthly taxes are approximately $3,000 to $5,000.
Anecdote. One franchise owner's implementation of a cost control system set a new industry benchmark for operational efficiency.
7. Training and support. How does Hardees Carl's Jr. help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees participate in a comprehensive 2-week training program. Operational support. Regular visits from corporate and regional managers ensure continuous guidance. E-learning platform. Modern online training modules facilitate ongoing development. Marketing. National and local advertising campaigns enhance brand visibility and sales.
Anecdote. After completing training, one franchisee's innovative local promotion significantly boosted his sales, setting an example for others.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 8. Franchise inspections in Hardees Carl's Jr. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Corporate teams conduct quarterly inspections to ensure compliance with brand standards. Internal inspections. Annual audits confirm that quality and service standards are maintained. Frequency. Inspections typically occur 3 to 4 times per year.
Anecdote. A surprise inspection once earned one outlet high praise for its superior organization, greatly enhancing its local reputation.
9. Profitability of Hardees Carl's Jr. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Average net profit margins are between 10% and 20%. ROI. The typical payback period is 5 to 7 years. Success factors. Location, effective management, and customer loyalty are key to success.
Anecdote. One outlet recouped its investment in only 5 years, serving as an inspiring model for prospective franchisees.
10. Hardees Carl's Jr. in the market. How is the brand performing today? Key information. Market position. Combined, the brands operate over 1,000 outlets in the USA and have a strong international presence. Growth and expansion. Annual growth is estimated at 3%-5% in targeted markets. Challenges and forecast. Continuous innovation and strategic expansion help maintain their competitive edge.
Anecdote. Recent digital advancements, such as enhanced mobile ordering, have led to record-breaking sales in many regions, promising a bright future.
11. Pros and cons of a Hardee's Carl's Jr. franchise. What do you need to know before deciding? Key information. Pros. A. Iconic, well-established brands with a rich legacy. B. Comprehensive training, support, and marketing assistance. C. Proven business model with high customer loyalty. D. Extensive network and scope for multi-unit growth. Cons. A. High initial investment ranging from $133,000 to $346,000. B. Ongoing royalty and marketing fees may affect profit margins. C. Intensive day-to-day operational demands. D. Market competition and fluctuations in ingredient costs pose challenges.
Anecdote. One determined franchisee transformed challenges into success, becoming a regional leader and inspiring many others to invest.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Conduct thorough research on market conditions. Financial assessment. Evaluate financial capacity and projected returns. Consultations with experts. Seek guidance from seasoned professionals. Support evaluation. Assess the franchisor's overall support and resources. Franchise agreement analysis. Carefully review contractual terms and obligations.
Anecdote. One savvy investor, after extensive research and expert consultation, avoided a costly error and launched a highly profitable outlet in record time.
Conclusion. Who is the Hardee's Carl's Jr. franchise for, and is it worth investing? Hardee's Carl's Jr. is an excellent franchise opportunity for entrepreneurial individuals seeking to invest in iconic, time-tested fast food brands. With an initial investment ranging from $133,000 to $346,000 and a payback period of 5 to 7 years, these franchises offer stable revenues and strong growth potential in a competitive market. Anecdote. One local owner not only recouped his investment rapidly, but became a role model for aspiring entrepreneurs, proving that passion and robust brand support pave the way to spectacular success. Bibliography. Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Arby's. Is Arby's a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.